This is one of the most advanced underwater drones in the world. It can dive down to 3,000 meters below sea level. And today we're here in the old port of Trieste at the Italian company Saipem to show you how it works and what it is used for. This specific model is called Flatfish. And actually, if you step back a little, it really does look like a flattened fish. How long is it? I'm about 1.82 meters tall. So this thing is roughly 4 meters long. It has 2 rear propellers for main thrust, along with 5 smaller thrusters for control and maneuvering, enabling it to move in all directions. But before we see it in action, let's try to understand what it's used for.